The State Cabinet yesterday approved the Meghalaya Multi-Sectoral Project for Adolescent Wellbeing, Empowerment and Resilience, Mpower. This initiative aims to transform the lives of the youth in the state, ensuring their successful transition from school to work and fostering holistic support for health and well-being. The program will offer coordinated multi-sectoral interventions for adolescents aged 9 to 19, focusing on building productivity and resilience. The interventions will cover both in-school and out-of-school adolescents, utilizing a user-centric approach.
The government has constituted the agencies in the name of State Human Development Council to be headed by the Honorable Chief Minister. It is just like a governing body. And below that, again, in the state level, the executive committee level, Chief Secretary is the chairman of that committee. And also we come down up to the district level where all the respective deputy commissioners will be the head of these committees for implementation of this new initiative.